Skullcandy dime, mini and mighty. Do they match the hype? Are they great and very affordable as they say? We shall see all that and more in this video. Been using the Skullcandy dimes for some weeks now, and I want to give my take on them. First, I love the minimalistic design. The dimes are really small, which I love. They weigh just 32 grams, which makes portability really easy. They will fit easily in your pockets, and on top of that, they added a string attachment. I personally love that I can attach them to my car keys or any other place just for safety. My only issue in relation to design is the holes at the top. When the buds are removed from the case, the holes leave the internals exposed, which could accumulate dirt and sometimes which could attach to the charging contacts and prevent charging. This has however not happened to me in my time using them, so I guess I will let that pass. As for bud fitting, I love the comfort with them. Make sure you have the right fitting. At first I had difficulty with them in my ears, but when I switched to the small ear tips, the experience is really amazing. They fit so perfectly in my ears and I have no issues even running with them. So this can be used in the gym or when jogging around. The buds use button control, which I set out not to use. Most of the time it gets the buds out of position when you press, but otherwise the buttons are soft and easy to press. I know people who don't want touch control, so this can be a wonderful set of buds for you. The earbuds come in 9 colors according to the Skullcandy website. The dimes use Bluetooth 5.2, and one of the things I love about these particular buds is they quickly pair upon turning on. Also haven't experienced any interference issues while listening as I have on other budget earbuds. That's a really big bonus. Battery. The battery on this is fairly good. You can get 3.5 on the buds and 8.5 on the case, which gives you a total of about 12 hours. It took me 3 days of usage to fully drain the battery on the case and the buds. The battery is okay for me. I believe it could be better. Also, the cable used for charging the case is a micro USB, which I think was chosen since the battery is small. Sound. As always, sound quality is always a plus for Skullcandy. The sound on the buds is good, but as for bass, you have a moderate situation here. Overall, it's a good sound experience. Also, one thing to note is solo mode is possible on these buds, so you can have a single bud usage with comfort on the dimes. Still concerning sound, I love how much they cut out external noises. The noise cancelling on this is really good for me. I can have them on and be absorbed in my world. Are you finding value so far? Give the video a like. Thank you. The dimes are rated IPX4, so have no worries about light rain and heavy sweating. It's all good. In my experience with them, in the first few hours after acquiring them, one of the buds fell into a small ditch with water. To me, I knew that was the end of it all. Got them out and cleaned them, and for the first about 2 minutes they were making some weird sounds, but later on got stable and still using them to date. And because of that, I even loved them more. So they are resistant to light drops. Make sure you don't immerse them in water. Microphone. The microphone on these is great. I use them a lot, but I noticed the best experience comes when you use both buds, not just one. Here is a sample of the sound. I believe this is great sound anyone can work with. You can use this when taking calls or when having meetings. I give them a 70%. So my general take on them. First, I love that they are small and portable. The sound is amazing, and based on my experience with them and some of my friends, I would recommend them to anyone getting a pair of affordable buds. They are really nice. Like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on videos like this one. Peace. Here is another video you can watch.